Nestled in the Society Islands, Huahine is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Often overshadowed by its famous neighbors Tahiti and Bora Bora, this island paradise offers a unique and authentic South Pacific experience without the hefty price tag. Let's dive into how you can explore Huahine's natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality on a budget. Airfare can be a wallet drainer, but savvy travelers can save by booking early and choosing to visit during the shoulder seasons of April to June or September to November. Airlines like Air Tahiti Nui, Air France, and Hawaiian Airlines connect major cities to this tropical haven. Consider a travel and accommodation package for extra savings. Once there, rent a scooter for $20 a day or a car for $40 to navigate the island with ease. Huahine's accommodation spectrum ranges from luxury resorts to cozy guest houses and Airbnb rentals. For those counting pennies, guest houses and pensions offer a bed, fan, and shared bathrooms starting from $50 to $100 per night. Airbnb provides a more contemporary stay, with entire homes available from $50 per night. Dining in French Polynesia can be costly, but Huahine's guest houses often include meals, featuring fresh local produce and seafood. For a taste of local life, hit the roulottes for affordable treats or shop at markets to cook your own island feast. Remember to stock up on snacks and drinks at grocery stores to bypass expensive hotel minibars. Huahine brims with activities for all budgets. Its pristine beaches, lush forests, and rich cultural heritage are free to enjoy. Dive into the lagoon's clear waters, hike the trails, or visit ancient mare. Don't miss the Lemahana Festival, a cultural extravaganza with a nominal entry fee. To maximize your budget, bring your own snorkeling gear and shop for souvenirs at local markets. Embrace free activities like trekking and beach lounging, and always respect local customs, like removing shoes at sacred sites. With these insights, Huahine's splendor is yours to discover, affordably. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventures.